Hello. Today I will show you how to make your own lawn leveling rake. You will see on the screen a list of components. And now let me present what you need and other details. You will need perforated angle iron. I recommend it to be 2.7 centimeters as I found. It is also galvanized and has a thickness of 2 millimeters. These angle irons need to be cut at 75 centimeters. You will need 2 pieces of 1 meter cut at 75 centimeters. And the 2 pieces of 25 centimeters you will need to mount on the sides. You will also need 2 aluminum profiles 10 by 22 millimeters. They look something like this. They have a channel in the middle. You will also need 8 pieces of 1.6 centimeters metric screws. Metric screws of 2.5 centimeters, 4 pieces. M6 spring washer, 12 pieces. 6.4 washer, 12 pieces. 8.6 washer, 12 pieces, and the corresponding nuts. The third angle iron needs to be cut at 25 centimeters, because here the handle will be mounted. Now let's move on to the actual assembly of the leveler. To begin with, mount these 2 pieces at the ends. For this, you'll need to use a metric screw of 1.6, a 8.4 washer, and a spring washer. Do the same thing at the other 3 corners. After we've finished assembling the ends, now we'll mount the aluminum profiles, which will need to be drilled at 6 millimeters. For the aluminum profiles, use the same 1.6 centimeters metric screws, along with a 8.4 millimeters washer and a spring washer. This time, you'll place the washer under the end like this. And now do the same thing for the other 3. This is how the leveler looks. I tried to keep the distance between them as equal as possible. It looks the same on this side too. I cut the supports for the handle at the end here and filed a bit on the corner to have rounded edges. Now we'll mount the screws. Now you need to put the 8.4 washers. Next, place the 6.4 centimeters washers, 1 on each. Secure them with a nut. Tighten well with a 10 wrench. Place a 6.4 washer over the nuts, and then you will mount the handle supports. As for the handle supports, when I bought the angle irons, I could only find 2 meters of 27 by 27 millimeters angle iron, so I got some 4 centimeter supports that I had to adapt and enlarge the holes to 8 millimeters. Put the 6.4 washers. The spring washers. And the nuts. Now take this T-piece together with the metric rod. Now let's proceed to mount the handle where you will need a rod. I cut it to 18 centimeters. 2 self-locking M8 nuts, 2 simple M8 nuts, 4 M8 washers, and another 4 narrower ones. And now for the tail support, take the T-piece, screw the reducers very well, then take the metric rod, put a washer, screw a self-locking nut. And now insert it where I enlarged this hole to 8 centimeters. Insert another large washer. Insert a simple nut. Insert 3 smaller washers. If you have other idea, please leave in the comments. We place the T-piece. And now this nut needs to be screwed so that the rod reaches here to be able to mount the other pieces. First, put the 3 smaller washers. Then take a simple nut. After you've mounted the nut, put the large washer. And now all that's left is to screw both nuts until the rod reaches the other side. Try to lock the ends with a 13 wrench. The tail will be mounted here. The T-piece moves so that you can make the forward-backward movement. Now, if you want to add extra weight, you can attach some 6 or 8 rebar here, which will go under these angle irons. And now it's time to see it in action. If you have another idea on how to make a leveling rake or how to improve the model we watched, please write to me in the comments.